Ah, I love that. Japity 43. Oh, 200th win tribute car. Man, that thing looks pretty. Look at that pretty blue. Cheer. Nice. That's a pretty car. Very, very nice. Got the 42 Cougar Dodge, actually. I was thinking about the shape, it was a Cougar, but it's actually Dodge. Ah, I love these old cars. It's good. Ooh, got pipes down there. Love those paint schemes. Beautiful. Huh? Yep. Yep. See, Turbo 1, Turbo 2. Good night, that's a setup. Wowza.
Looks clean though.
It's very clean. That is something else. That's an interesting turbo setup. I've never seen that one. Yeah. Junior Plymouth. That's cool. Ooh, tiny wings. Oh, Maurice Petty. Supposedly.
Oh.
Interesting.
Yeah, I highly doubt that.
I'm kind of doubting that one too. Interesting. Yeah. Need some help, but looks good. Ah, nice. That's something else.
Big motor behind you.
Yeah. Decent firewall. Ooh, a dual carburetor.
The photograph.
Uh-huh.
That is authentic.
Yep. That's interesting. Yeah. That's pretty. Ooh, Dave Pearson. Oh, Fireball Roberts. Hey! He won the title race. Yep. Cool. That would be interesting, yeah. If they knew that history, right? Yeah. That's nice. Look at that. Two-tone with the gold trim. Wow, that thing looks good. That is a sweet looking car. Nice two-tone with the, oh yeah, that looks good with the wheels. That is a nice looking wagon there. So got the chrome Plymouth, but then look at the wheel color choice with the two-tone. Then you got the two different pinstripes going on. Still getting a little bit of wear there, but that looks nice and clean. Nice. Alright, look at this little Chevy got the stripe theming all the way throughout. Nice dark brown color with some nice bronze styled wheels. Then go into the back, they carry the logo and the colors all the way around this thing. That's a nice little truck. I like it. And an absolutely slammed Ford F850 Super Duty. Wow. Yeah, I definitely hope this thing has some bags in it. Oh, and beautiful American flag wood panels there in the back. That's cool. Coca-Cola box in the back. That is a nice looking truck. Look at the thing. That's cool. And then also right beside it, beautiful Chevy. Fuel injected. Teal interior. Wow, that's nice. That's a good looking car. Ford F250. Oh, now that, look at the wheels on that. Chrome doesn't quite match, but that works out pretty good though. But see, you get the two-tone on the wheel, two-tone up here. But see, it needs to be more of the flat silver instead of the chrome though, because it kind of glares out there a little bit. But other than that, that is a pretty looking car. Yeah. Yep, old Ford Falcon. Man, the thing looks good. I don't know, I don't think you can really beat the nice squared body lines. Oh, the Sierra Classic. Oh, that's cool, Amy. So look at the styling cues. So two-tone, single-tone, but then you got the GMC little logo and then the little Chevy. That's neat. Oh, hey, need a can for scrap? That's cool. Like seeing the old trucks around here. Pretty grill too. Very nice truck. Got a very pretty green Chevelle right next to a 57 Metro, which has a very nice looking paint scheme on the side there. But this is a very, oh yeah, and you got the green interior on the inside, but very pretty green on the outside. That's a good looking car. Nice little Chevy truck. Got the mufflers coming right out of the side there. Ooh, got a bucket hat in there. Ooh, doing some work on this thing. The paint is in really good shape though. Nice clean paint. And then we got an old GTO. Oh, not so old GTO, the newest GTO. Ooh, it's got a cage in there. And look at that old Pontiac interior. That's nice. Wish there were more of these. Still, nice to be able to see. Ooh, Roush Ford F-150 single cab. This is the Nightmare. It's good. Ooh, even got a signed Jack Roush USA on the back there. That's cool. I guess that's a sticker. That's pretty good. Yep, I'm gonna say that looks like it's signed to me. Either that or a signed sticker, but that's pretty cool. Right. It's got an old Chevrolet in the beautiful orange, and then the matte black on the trim, which looks really, really good with the gloss orange. Got the nice light colored wheels. Looks like I actually get to use. Got what appears to be a matching interior on the inside. That's neat. Ooh, just needs for the chrome trim back here to be matching though. That's the only thing that I can see. That's a pretty truck though. Then you got the old Silverado Suburban. And that is very pretty looking. Ooh, got a little dent there, but other than that, a really good looking little truck. Old Camaro. Really do like that body style, and the stripes on that is good looking. Got a C10 with the white walls. That looks really good. You got this thing up here with the flames, which looks interesting. GMC. That's something else. Got the old General Lee going through. Thing sounds good. Nice. Nice wheel color too. Let's give it the two-tone. That is very pretty. So we got the Ford with the white and red two-tone right there, and then we got the red and the white two-tone. Boy, these trucks are pretty. Yeah, that's a classic color combo there for Ford. Alright, so which one do we like? Do we like white and red? Or do we like red and white? That's a question. Let me know which one you guys like. Ooh, Rancho. Nice. Very pretty Blazer with the 6.2 LS3. Then the two-tone top there. Looks good. Nice. Very nice grill. That's a good looking truck. And also the Chevy 10 right next door as well. That thing looks good as well. Nice. Beautiful orange F100 single cab. Oh, that thing's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that thing is beautiful. Look at that. Let's check out the interior here. We got a BBC. Nice. Nice, beautiful bed done with the metal. That is a beautiful looking truck. That is very, very nice. I also got a nice F-150 trimmer back behind too. Very pretty as well, but this thing's awesome.